Hi everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. Oh my god, my throat is so dry. Okay, please don't forget my live is tomorrow night, Friday, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. I'm in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Hey everybody. I know it's Labor Day weekend, totally forgot, so I hope you can make it. If you can't make my live, I completely understand, honey. If you're going away for the long weekend, then have fun for me, because you know I'll be stuck here in the city going to the water park. All right, so I was on my way out to my doctor's this morning. By the way, I'm reviewing the Fenty foundation right now. I don't know, what do you think? I don't know. I was, it is very dewy though, isn't it? I didn't think it was, but wow, it is. I was on my way out to the doctor's office this morning, and my mailman was downstairs, and he's like, hey, I got something for you. And he gave me this thing in a silver bag, and it said it was from Korea, and I'm going, I don't have anything coming. Anyways, look what came, everybody. The VT Cosmetics subscription box. Back in May, and I posted this on my Instagram, I think about 3 weeks ago. It's from South Korea. Back in May, they had posted it. If you got 100 people to sign up and then confirm the email, you can get the premium box, which is $59.99. And this box is the essentials box, which is $39.99. I had some issues with this company because the deadline was 11 o'clock, say on a Friday morning, right? 8 o'clock Thursday night, I had 94 people confirmed. Between 8 o'clock Thursday night and 11 o'clock Friday morning, I had over 26 people say they confirmed. And then the company came back and said, no, you only had 93. And I'm like, dude, I know better, but whatever. You know, I was not expecting this box, to be honest. I didn't think they were sending it out. But I got this to review, and anybody could have gotten this if you got the 100 people to sign up for the newsletter and then confirm. And it was different people, not, you know, same IP address, not same email, anything like that, but different people. And I know I had at least 7 more people from 8 o'clock that night until 11 o'clock the next morning to sign up and confirm. Anyways, that's my little rant on this. But this is a South Korean beauty box. Again, the pink one is $40. It's free shipping. This is US, by the way, so it's free shipping worldwide. The second box is going to be shipped mid-September, and the third box mid-November. And then, you know, you can order a 3-month subscription, or what do they got? 2 boxes, 3 boxes, stuff like that. What else does it say? Skin color. We understand that there are many different types of skin tones out there, so we want to make sure that we choose products that everyone can use, such as neutral colors and products that are basic for all skincare regimens and styles. It's a box that is designed to be a subscription service, but this was a pre-sale campaign, is not a subscription. You're making a one-time pledge to support VT Cosmetics box. Depending on the results of this pre-sale campaign, they may consider launching a full-on subscription service down the line. So this is sold out. From what I'm seeing, it's sold out. So you can't get these boxes, because online it says it's sold out. Yeah, that's what it said. It was sold out. So I guess you can't get it. You could have gotten 1, 2, or 3. All right, we're going to go into the box and see. So like I said, it just came in this gray bag, you know, pink little box like this. All right, it just says beauty comes from within. VT Cosmetics box, VT Cosmetics, you tag that. There's this little bag, VT times BTS. I don't know who these guys are. I'm assuming they're probably like a Korean boy band, but I don't know them. I've never seen them. So yeah, don't know who they are, but they're probably really big in South Korea. And it's, you know, a cute little bag. Yeah, so a cute little bag, VT Cosmetics bag, okay. All right, so the first thing we have is this spot patch. Recover Complete Waterproof. Right. Okay, so there's no, it's all in Korean. So I don't know if that is a eye patch, face mask, and then we have this Sika mask. So we have two of these. Two of these Sika masks. There's no card. I don't know how much any of this is worth or cost. There is no card. Okay, the next thing we have is this Think Your Teeth. Think Your Teeth. Okay, there's no English. Step 1, step 2, step 3. And it's all in Korean. So, I don't know what this is. Bad breath care. Think Your Teeth. Is this a toothpaste? Did we just get a toothpaste in a cosmetics box? It is. It smells like mint. It's a toothpaste. Why are we getting a toothpaste in a cosmetics box? I don't understand that. I thought this was Think Your Teeth. What the heck? I thought this was a makeup skincare box. We literally just got a toothbrush in a cosmetics box. Okay. Why are we getting a toothbrush in a cosmetics box? That makes no sense to me. Anyway, y'all, I got a toothpaste and a toothbrush from South Korea in my cosmetics box. Okay. Right. The next thing we have is this right here. Glorious Gloria Lip Color Balm. Okay, Glorious Gloria, what color will you be? Let's see, I have a fly flying around here. Oh, I like the packaging. That's kind of cute. I like the packaging. And you're just white. Right on, it's a lip balm. Okay. Okay. Then we have this lip lacquer. And it's all got VT Cosmetics written on it. So I don't know, is this like a company? Right. I can't believe I got a toothbrush and toothpaste in my cosmetics box. That's not cool. That's really not cool. I mean, it's free. Don't get me wrong. You know, I did work hard to get those people signed up. Believe me, I did. Thank you, ladies, for making sure people signed up. Thank you very much for sharing my link. I really appreciate it. But I still don't understand why a toothbrush and toothpaste is in a cosmetics box. I don't get that. All right. So this is, it's cute. It's got this little thing here. And you open it up, and it is that. Right on. Okay, let's swatch that. That is not a very pretty color. Right. A little bit of a smell. Yeah, so that's the color right there. Okay. Don't know about them apples. Then we have Born Natural Healing Hand Cream. Right, so we got a hand cream, everybody. Skincare Cosmetics. We got a hand cream. Here it is. It looks like that. Healing Hand Cream. Everything's in Korea or Korean, so I don't know what it's saying. It does have a safety seal. I'm not going to open this. And the last thing in this box, remember, this is $40 US, this box, $40 US of A. So in Canadian, that's about, you know, 50 bucks. We have Born Natural Peel-Off Mask. It's got a little seal here, and that's what it's like. Okay. So that is the box, everybody. What do you think about this box? How do you feel about a toothbrush and toothpaste being in your cosmetics and makeup box? Would you go buy this box? I know everyone likes Korean beauty, like their skincare and stuff like that, but the only thing we really got is a face mask. So I don't know if you can call this really a skincare box. Oh, we did get these masks though. So we got these, right? There is, again, no English, so yeah. There's no, oh wait, there's English on this one. Peel off mask that makes the skin smooth and clean through the shining pearl texture containing peat water that absorbs dead skin cells and sebum. Apply a thin layer, leave on for 20-30 minutes, and then you peel it off. Okay, so that's a peel off mask. Like I said, there is no, it's a sheet mask. I figured these two are a sheet mask, and maybe this is an eye mask. Again, I don't know about a toothbrush and toothpaste in my box. It's cosmetic skincare, unless they do stuff different in South Korea. But I want to see makeup, you know? And this thing, that's just definitely not my color. It does leave a stain. Not my color. It's cute, but not my color. That was just plain white. And then we got the hand lotion. So that, again, is a $40 US of A and about $50 Canadian, free shipping. Let me know, what do you think, everybody, in the comments down below. Don't forget to like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Love you.